Pimento season. Some of them are ripe off. Smells so good. Some of them are ripe berry. These are the green berries. It's the middle of the week, and what's best to prepare than some ackee and saltfish with Jamaican cocoa bread. This is soft and fluffy, a traditional bread that is baked in Jamaica. This time I'm going to bake two types of them, whole wheat and just the regular one. And it's going to be done underground. Pine sucker to plant over his home. These are some beautiful ones. While I prepare breakfast, Zion Train is in the background picking pimento because we have pimento season here now and we're trying to secure as much as we can before everything ripe off. So this is the whole wheat Jamaican cocoa bread. We're going to roll them out and fold them with butter and let them rise again. And like I said, we're going to bake it in our little pit oven that we create in the yard underground. Now it's time to set up the fire. We're going to place as much coal on top of the zinc and make sure the bread is baked properly. I'm going to put 2 cans in it. And we're going to preheat the oven just like a regular stove oven, but this one is going to be in the hearth. So we want it as warm as possible so we can maintain the structure of the bread dough. So we are going to pack up the top of the zinc, put that back over and cover the hole. At this point in baking, rain and sunshine wanna come our way. So we get rain, so we get sunshine. This is me just blazing up the fire. But me I go left the bread and go shop. And this is a mistake that I make. So me I blaze up the fire now. And me go scatter it out before me leave. If we go shop and come back for check in pan the bread them. I wanna go and see the condition of the bread. Watch and see. It's time to put in the bread them in our oven, underground oven. Simple living is the best. No fuss, no rush. You just bake with nature. So I'm going to slide them the on and sketch out the fire over the top and let them go and bake till me come back. A Ackee time now. And see the puss just run across my foot. I got some saltfish and we're going to create Ackee and saltfish. So I'm just carefully picking out the seeds out of it at the middle part to set on the fire. This is the whole wheat cocoa bread. It's time to place some butter over the top. Yes, 100% butter. I can smell that. And this is the whole wheat cocoa bread. We're going to heat this with Ackee and saltfish. And at this point, this was the best bread that come out from all our bake. Because one of bun can't eat. So we're going to butter these one. I'm going to set on one other pot, you know. Because the first set, the white one, them, majority of them burn up. So we're going to set on another set of whole wheat cocoa bread inside of our pit oven and cover that back. Crank down the fire, cover that back, make that bake slow and low. Then train a pick pimento. Ooh, berries. Pimento season now. Then train a peak at the tree. Guys, look at the condition of the bread, especially the white one. They make the bread burn up. So if me not there to bake the bread properly, it can't done. Anyways, the same person who burn up the bread request saying want to feed me in a bag. So we just I go do it. Guys, this is no fancy living, just simple living. So me just a place Ackee and saltfish in the middle of the cocoa bread. And me tell us that this one was so sweet. Ackee sweet, me not lie. Cause me season it good and I add in coconut oil to it so you know so it go nice. Not to mention that same bun up white bread that I figure eat. And this is the thing about baking and simple living. Sometimes things not gonna come out as I expect. Sometimes you go burn things. So this is one of them days but we are gonna eat breakfast same way, no complaint. Everything airy, everybody I get them breakfast now. It's time to pack up my sandwich them. And this one is gonna be eaten with Ackee and saltfish with a little bit of grass tea. Yes man, Jamaican traditional fever grass tea. So we are packing up them sandwich in the Ackee and saltfish patty. And we're going to eat this outside for breakfast while Zion training in the background, working and picking down pimento. And that is how we normally do it. Majority of the time, I cook while the guys work. So this is one of those days. Yes, man. Rain and sunshine in a one. So we are celebrate on the outside. It's time to eat. And even though the bread burn up, it's still soft and fluffy. Look at that. To the max. Fluffy to the max. I went for 2 more whole wheat one. I'm going to just place them there with the rest of them. And we're going to eat right outside. Roll up a native pimento. Pimento time now. Pebbles is coming through the bush. Pebbles! Pebbles! Pebbles find way. Jamaican allspice berry. Whoa, bunchy pimento for days. The bunch of fluffy, man. The bunch of fluffy. Quite a lot the penny. One of there. See Pebbles there. See Crocky here. Crocky! Crocky look like them chihuahua. And train go and pick pimento. Who a fella? Irish potato bread. Soft and fluffy.